Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on direct messages on TikTok so other people can message you. Let's get started.
First, open the TikTok app on your phone. Next, tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner.
Now, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy.
Then scroll down to the Interaction section and select Direct Messages. Next, tap Permission Settings. Under Who Can Send You Messages, choose Request if you want to receive message requests. If it's set to Don't Receive, change it to Request. You can also adjust the settings for others on TikTok so they can send you message requests. If you'd like, you can also customize other options, such as read status, safe mode, and keyword filters, for a better messaging experience. And that's it. You've successfully turned on direct messages on TikTok. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more TikTok tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.